Hi, my name is Dave. In this video, I'll be going through the current portfolio with emphasis on the closed trades. Let's have a quick look at some of the option strategies that have been used and can be used. If higher prices are to be expected, buying call and selling put vertical may be suitable. If lower prices are to be expected, buying put and selling call vertical may be suitable. If the price is expected to be range bound, buying a butterfly and selling iron condor can be used to capture the profits. If the price is expected to be range bound and also has the potential to move in a direction, it could be a bullish direction or a bearish direction. Buying a broken wing butterfly can be used to capture the profits. More strategies and explanations can be seen from the website. Let's take a look at the summary of the closed trades. Do note that I have both winners as well as losers. All trade information can be seen under the performance page in WhaleTrades.com. Let's proceed to take a closer look at the trades. Let's have a look at the chart of GBLX. This is one of the drug stocks for my play in the marijuana and cannabis industry. Besides this one, I've entered into other drug stocks as well, waiting for the prices to surge in 2018. The trade was exited on 8 January. In summary, this is a bullish trade. There's entry price of 48.9 cents and exit price of $1.23. I've exited with my capital. The rest are pure profit rolling in the market. A nice 152% gain for this trade within 31 days. Let's have a look at the chart of POTN. This is another drug company within my marijuana and cannabis list. A great move within 14 days. The trade was exited on 23rd January. In summary, this is a bullish trade that has entry price of 0.219 and exit price of 0.536. My subscribers have once again made more than my exit price. Great work! A nice 145% gain for this trade within 14 days. Let's have a look at the chart of SLB. Some ups and downs have been seen before the big surge in the stock in early January. The trade was exited on 3rd January. In summary, this is a bullish trade that has entry price of $2.60 and exit price of $3.90. I've exited this position with a 50% win. However, many of my subscribers have exited with even more profits. A nice 50% gain for this trade in 57 days. Let's have a look at the chart of SPX. In this play, I've executed a calendar spread in SPX. With extreme low readings in VIX, the high probability of win lies in execution of a calendar spread. The trade was exited on 10 January. In summary, this is a neutral bearish trade. There's entry price of $3.30 and exit price of $4.10. Remember that with low readings of VIX, it is great to have a calendar spread to capture the gains in the indices. A nice 25% gain for this trade within 5 days. Let's have a look at the chart of SPX. In this play, I've executed a calendar spread in SPX on 11 January. However, SPX is loaded with rocket fuel and it surges through the sky with unexpected moves to the upside. With that, I've adjusted the position by rolling it into a higher strike price with a later expiration date. With this adjustment, I managed to turn a losing trade to a winner. The adjusted trade was exited on 29 January. In summary, this is a neutral bearish trade that has initial entry price of $4.20 and final adjusted exit price of $5. Adjustments are required in certain situations to convert losses into profits. A nice 11% gain for this trade within 18 days. Once again, this is the list of closed trades for the month. Do note that I have both winners as well as losers. All trade information can be seen under the performance page in WhaleTrades.com. For the open positions, they are available under the portfolio section. You can go under Trade, Portfolio, and you will be able to see all the open trades available. Do note that big money is inside many of these positions, and they are the potential targets of merger and acquisition. When that happens, this will send the stock price surging to the roof. Thanks for watching this video. You can watch more free videos at WhaleTrades.com.